We've used and abused more than a few 2015 to 2017 3.5L EcoBoosts and 2.7L EcoBoost over the last couple of years, and just about all of them have had a cold air intake of some sort installed. Unlike some of our competition that give their opinion on an intake right after installing it, we put ours through their paces over tens of thousands of miles of driving in every climate and terrain we can find. While all cold air intakes offer similar airflow and power gains, our favorites prove themselves able to survive anything we threw at them and keep our trucks working flawlessly. Our utmost favorite intake for the 2015 to 2017 3.5L EcoBoost is the Smb Cold Air Intake. The Smb manages to cram an efficient design, high-quality construction, excellent hardware, and great fit all in a complete intake system that won't break your bank and does not require tuning. Our only minor gripe with the Smb kits in general is that Smb does not offer a reusable dry filter variant. They only offer a reusable oiled filter or a dry disposable filter. Still, the Smb manages to check almost every single box without overly lightening your wallet. Our next favorite is the Banks Ram Air Intake. While not a true ram air system, it does feature a larger and more sculpted air scoop than stock to help bring in cooler charge air. The Banks kit has amazing build quality and comes standard with extremely beefy couplers and T-bolt clamps that will survive just about any abuse and will keep the intake locked into place no matter how hard you abuse your truck. Banks also offers both a reusable oiled and reusable dry filter option, which is nice. The only downsides to the Banks kit is that it's a bit more expensive than some other options, though you are getting much better hardware, and you do have to pretty much disassemble the majority of the kit to clean and recharge the air filter. If you put a premium on toughness and quality, then the Banks intake kit is definitely for you. Finally, we have the AFE Stage 2 Dual Filter Intake Kit. AFE's kit features two filters that feed each inlet tube independently and has one of the most aggressive and awesome looks of any intake on the market. The AFE kit also has an aggressive noise that you'll instantly notice. AFE's Stage 2 kit can come with either reusable oiled filters, dry reusable filters, or severe duty reusable air filters, which give you a ton of options for finding the right kit for your application. The AFE kit has two major downsides. The first is price. This kit puts a hit on the wallet, but if you do want one of the most aggressive intakes around, it might be worth it. Second, the couplers included with the kit aren't the toughest things on the planet, and they don't like to be over-tightened. If you're ready to purchase any one of these intakes, head over to stage3motorsports.com. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and stalk us on Facebook for the latest Stage 3 news and info.